Hey everybody, welcome back to GoronGuyReacts. Today we are going to react to Unusual Memes Compilation version 153. It's memes! I'm going to be talking over this. If you guys don't like that, then go check out the original. I'll be linking it in the description so you guys can go check it out for yourself. I highly recommend you do that before watching this. That is pretty much it. I'm going to click play on this one in 3, 2, 1. Meme ready. Speed run. We're off to a horrible start already. Why are you doing this? Please just get off. Didn't even try. I don't know how else to open this, so I just decided do it like this. No! Yay. That's pretty cool though. I'm gonna turn this up real quick. What is he doing? The video cracked me up so much when I first saw it. There goes his nuggies. Whoa. Ball.
Damn. Damn.
That's my ball.
Damn. What you doing? You got a hot dog?
Yo! Look how happy he is.
Oh, perfect. Thanks, boss.
Drops the entire pizza.
Cat in the trash can.
Yo!
Hi, Miranda.
Aw. Just surviving. Stupid video. This video was so confusing when I first saw it. Like, why is that happen? Why the now we know what the dog do it. Wait, what even was that? A sheet of paper? Dang! That's so sick. Oh no. Disrespect though, I appreciate him trying. Ow. That's a rock. What is happening? Yo. Look how happy he is. Rubber duckies?
Does anybody else's
Say no
husband
more.
bring them home things like
Wait, I'm confused. What's that? Crack? Picture of Kim Kardashian? Good music choice? Oh. Okay. He really brought the PS4.
Oh my god. He brought his PS4.
Good job. Did he bring anything else? There's some good music choices. I'm pleasantly surprised. Ooh. Why'd that just give me the chills? Heck, bruh. Wait, that doesn't even have an engine, does it? It's funny to just imagine it's just a wagon with a engine over top it.
This is not
The
cool,
version 2.
Cosmo.
There's a lot of B up there. No one's ever done that properly, it seems. Those are like the worst kind of milk crates to even use, bro. Maybe don't do it at all. Ooh. I'm not gonna actually do it. I'm gonna. I was really expecting something bad to happen. It would have been funny if she just closed the door. What is happening? Why would you do this? polar bear moment. Why would he jump in the water afterwards, after when his view is obstructed? Doesn't make sense to me. Uh-huh. That last one was a lot easier to understand. Pog. You can't even hear the impact.
Large ice water. Light
Okay,
ice,
the window is
and
closed.
then large Dr. Pepper, light ice. Large Dr. Pepper, light ice. And then Sprite, light ice as well, and then that's it.
Oh yeah, I saw. I think I saw this too. It's kind of funny, not gonna lie. Look at her short little legs. He's so cute. What is that? The sound. What? Oh. No, no, don't do it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it, please. Don't.
Queensland
Doesn't break a
Parliament.
single one
State
though.
government announced the proposed legislation today.
Hello? What? What? What just happened?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. What the
Kinda true. Never saw it like that until now.
Can you go away, man?
Yeah?
Ow.
Apparently I have to stand up. Sorry, Grandpa, but we're gonna have to.
What a way to end. Different days, different feelings. It's 9:19 in the morning. Shut up. Get it right. Oh, you fly away. That's cute. Anyway, that's it for Unusual Memes Compilation version 153. Again, I will link the original in the description so you guys can go check it out for yourself. That's pretty much it. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.